In this video, we will be looking at how to install the Hybrique Plugin application. Currently, the application is supported on Microsoft Windows platforms only. First, open our Applications page from Autodesk App Store. The link is in the description below. Then, click on the Download button. It will download this zip file. Extract the contents of the zip file. You may go through the provided installation guide as well. Let me guide you through the same. To run the installer, double-click on the Hybrique Plugin setup.exe. Windows Defender Smart Screen may try to block the installation. Don't worry, click on Run anyway. This step will require admin privileges to allow the installation. After the setup wizard appears, click on Next. Read through the terms and conditions. Make sure to accept them to continue. Then click on Next. You may modify the default installation folder as per your requirements. I will keep it as it is. Then click on Next. You may choose to create a desktop shortcut and Start Menu folder. Then click on Next. This will begin the installation process. Leave Launch Hybrique Plugin as checked, and click on Finish. If you already have an account, then log into it, else click on New User Register. Complete this form. Accept Terms and Privacy Policy, and click on Get Started Now. This will create your new account. After that, give your email and password that you used while creating the account, and then click on Let Me In. If you are logging in for the first time, then you need to verify your account. A verification code has been sent to your registered email. If you have not received the code, you can click on the Resend code. Now copy the code from your email and paste it here. Then click on Verify. In this window, all the currently supported CAD plugins are listed. Make sure you have the CAD software pre-installed for which you want to install our plugin. Let's install it for Fusion 360. Click on this Download button and choose the Fusion 360 folder present in your user's documents directory, or if you have OneDrive set up, then it may be present in your OneDrive's documents directory. Select the Fusion 360 folder. This pop-up confirms that our plugin has been successfully installed in Fusion 360. You may now close this dialog. It can be later found in the application settings. Hybrique Plugin application can now be directly launched from Fusion 360. Let's open Fusion 360. Go to the Electronics Design section. Create a new or open an existing schematic file. To launch the application, go to Automate, and click on Run ULP. Then, click on Browse, go to Documents, Fusion 360, ULPs, and open the Hybrique.ulp. For installing Hybrique Plugin and other supported CAD software, click on Settings. Let's install it for Autodesk Eagle. Click on this Download button and choose the Eagle folder present in your user's documents directory, or if you have OneDrive set up, then it may be present in your OneDrive's documents directory. Select the Eagle folder. This pop-up confirms that our plugin has been successfully installed in Autodesk Eagle. Similarly, for installing in KiCAD, click on this Download button and select the installation directory of KiCAD. If it requires elevated permission, then you need to launch the application in admin mode. For that, go to the Start menu and search Hybrique Plugin, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Settings, and follow the same steps as before. This pop-up confirms that our plugin has been successfully installed in KiCAD. Let's open a schematic file in Autodesk Eagle. Here, you can find a Hybrique button at the top menu. Click on it to launch the application. In KiCAD, you can find a Hybrique logo button at the top menu. Click on it to launch the application. Follow the Hybrique plugin how to use video to know more about the plugin. The link is in the description below. Try the Hybrique plugin today.